July 23rd. Today Pam and I were kind of bored a little bit, so we're gonna go explore a fishing boat called Aquarious. We're gonna try to get in. It's Sunday, so there's not too many people around, and we're gonna be careful, and of course get the tools, a ladder to board the vessel, a rope to tie up the ladder, and of course our flashlights. So we're in the yard right now. Some of the fishing seasons, I think, for lobster is over, so some of the fishing boats, they're out. They're beautiful boats, big boats, so they're out in the yard. So the yard is kind of deserted today, Sunday. There's hardly any people, so we got the opportunity, so we're walking towards Aquarious X.
So today we are going to look at this one boat called the Aquarius. It's an old boat, no longer in use, and it's at a shipyard. So we'll just have a look.
Doesn't look very safe, but I think we'll do. Stern of the fishing boat here. I guess this is how they pull the nets that they drag. Again, we are very careful. Make sure the deck is solid. Okay, there is something underneath here. I'm gonna go down. Now there's the stairs, so I have to make sure that they hold. So it looks like it's like a storage area for cables and the docking lines right here. Yeah, I guess it's a storage area. I see they have the anchor here and some chain and ropes for lines. So we're moving now towards the center of the boat. And I guess this might be hatches that or fridge. I opened the hatch. Yeah, I guess this is refrigerators. And you can see the shaft of the motor. Yay, the bridge is open. This is pretty interesting. It's an old boat. There's some woodwork.
This is the chat room.
The steering is missing. I guess somebody took the steering for a souvenir, maybe. Yeah.
One flashlight.
Yeah. They look like a chart table. What is this here? No, it's not a depth sounder, it's an autopilot.
See, that looks like a, I think, pretty speaker. That's an igloo.
Yeah.
Look at that. That thing there.
Good speaker for music?
The control for the speaker?
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh, interesting, yeah.
So nice little bridge.
Nice little setup they have.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we're gonna get down. Probably this is the accommodations. Aquarious. It's too bad we couldn't see the old type steering.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna
I wonder
go.
what that is.
Wow. It is the accommodations. Here's the sink. I don't know if it's washroom or I guess now it's a storage area. Maybe that was a washroom. Yeah. This is two bunk beds right here. You can see. And this is another little storage. Oh, this is the shower area. I guess this is the wet storage maybe here. This is, I don't know, part of the engine room storage. Immersion chutes. What we have here, oh, this is the galley. Yeah, it is the galley. Full fridge. I wonder how long it's been here. Is it ever hot? Mm-hmm. Hot. Yeah, I think this it takes down to the engine room. I'm gonna go see what is down here. Water heater. Yeah. I'm getting down to the engine room. Wow. Detroit diesel, I think. So here's the engine room. They do have tools. A little grinder over there. There goes the shaft. It's a pretty big engine room. Sweetie, that's a motor. We should have a motor like that. Here. I'll give you some light. Yeah. Well, this is a Detroit diesel, but I think this controls the hydraulics of the boat.
So this is the engine here?
Yeah, and I think this is the main engine.
Oh, wow.
You see? And this controls the hydraulics right here. And this is the generator, Kubota generator. Actually, this one looks like fairly new. It doesn't even look rusty. We're going outside back to the deck. And we got to find a way to the bow. And here, very short to the bow. And you can see the whole area from here. That's it. That's where the old fishing boats come to lay to rest.
So I'm off the boat. Nick is going to untie the ladder. He's gonna send the flashlights down, and then he's gonna make his way down.
That's the exploration of Aquarius. Let's put this one back. So we found it.